Hello friends, in this video I will show how to disable pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome. So very simple and basic way guys to disable and turn off pop-ups and redirects. Click on this three dot settings. Here guys in this left side panel, click on second option privacy and security. Here this fifth option site settings underneath privacy and security. Click on site settings, scroll down, and here you will see pop-up and redirect. So guys, if you want to disable, select this second option, don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. Just you have to select this second option. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.